What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Sorry I haven't been uploading lately. I've just been really busy with a lot of things like work and yeah. So today we're finally gonna get back to working on the IS300. I bought some wheel dollies to make things a little easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to jack the car up and put these under the wheels. Okay, as you saw, that was a complete fail. The wheel dollies did not help at all. It was way too heavy, or I think it's because of the kind of ground my garage is. It's too rough. But I just went ahead and took off the wheel dollies, and I'm just gonna work on my car like this. So this is the kit that I ordered. I got it from KFD Tuning Shop, or KFD Team, also what they're known as. I ordered the BN style kit. There's a front bumper, it's the rear bumper, and then the two side skirts. Pretty good. I mean, there are some imperfections, as you can see, but it's gonna need to be body worked regardless. And I got it for pretty cheap, actually, compared to all the other brands. Shipping to Hawaii was crazy. Alright guys, yesterday it didn't go as planned, but it's a new day today. And I got the bumper still sitting there, but I had to take off the fender liner and also the under tray that I had down there. So I just have the top of the bumper secure with zip ties. I think my goal is to just have the whole body kit put on by zip ties, so that if I have to take it off, I can just go ahead and snip them off with some pliers and then easily reattach it. Okay, I finally got the sides in. I had to trim some of the bumper inside there, and I did the same to the other side, and it's just being held in by zip ties right now. But the fitment's pretty good with the stock fenders. I haven't tried it with the fiberglass yet. It looks pretty good. Alright, so I got the fog lights in, then bolted down after drilling. There you go. So front bumper is pretty much done. All the holes are drilled. What's up, guys? We're back again. Working on the Lexus. Still working on the body kit. It's taking way too long. It's probably only because I really don't have time to work on it, and I've only been working on it maybe 2 to 3 hours after work, and I usually call it quits after that for the day. But right now we're gonna get to fitting the side skirts and the rear bumper, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car around so we can access that easier. Alright, rear bumper's off, and there is that damage from the rear end collision. If you guys didn't know, this car is salvaged, but I picked it up for a pretty good price, I think. I checked the frame rail before, but everything's fine. The suspension is still straight. Also, once again, the rear bumper is not going to fit with the USDM crash bar, so I'm either going to have to get a JDM rear crash bar, or I can get a Street Faction bash bar, or just run no bash bar at all, or crash bar, sorry. So we're just gonna go ahead and take this off and try to fit the bumper for now. I don't think I'm gonna run a crash bar. Oh my gosh, guys. This rear bumper took way too long to fit. Because I had to take off the rear crash bar, so the bumper didn't have anything to sit on. And the OEM bumper, it slides into the trunk area with these studs so it can line up and have support in the middle section. But this doesn't have that, so what I did was I drilled a hole here and also on the other side, and I just zip tied it to this lower bracket, I guess, just to hold it up. And then I drilled a hole into the tab here and zip tied it as well as the other side, but it's still kind of sticking out here, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and cut this tab around here, and then I'm gonna just self-tap it. This tab's fucked. I'm probably gonna have to re-fiberglass it. Not bad, not bad. So I finally have the bumper on now, fully, but I fucked up right here. See how it's a wavy there? And it looks like it's cracking too. So I couldn't get this side on fully. And then when I did, there was kind of a lump here, so I thought that if I heated it up, it would flatten it out. But instead, it kind of warped the bumper in this area. So I'm not sure how I'm going to fix that in the future. Probably gonna have to buy some fiberglass and epoxy. But that's how it's sitting right now. Now onto the side skirts. Side skirts half on. I'm gonna turn the car around to do the front again, but I guess that's how it's gonna look. Alright guys, that's gonna be it for this video. It was mainly just trying to fit the bumper and drill the holes where they're supposed to be, but there's gonna be a lot more work done to this kit to get it to fit better and have it more secured. The front I'm happy with, but the side skirts and the rear bumper, I'm not really happy. I think the part where I messed up, let's see if you can see it here. Yeah, right there. I heated it up with a heat gun and I kind of warped it. So I'm gonna try to order some fiberglass and epoxy so we can go ahead and fix that. It's gonna be a lot of sanding, but I think it'll be worth it in the end. As always, thanks for watching. Stick around for more content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
I can't control the world around me getting colder. Plus I got enemies over my shoulder. I'm just grateful for another day, another chance, and I won't let